Sorry, kind of missed it.
No, the little girl in the skirt.
Okay, so the one in the skirt is Zaylee.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
And her name is Zaylee.
Who is?
The little one in the
The
skirt.
little tiny. Oh, the
The
super
one with the red
super-
shirt.
Oh, okay.
It's Zaylee.
Okay, gotcha. This little girl wasn't pet.
She's
the last
new.
one.
I guess her name is Emily.
So is the other one in the blue. She's new.
No, and that.
Yeah.
She was here last time. She was just standing over here with her dad. She wouldn't come and play. I'm glad that we have more kids though, because I was kind of concerned. Like if somebody doesn't show up, then we're not
Did
gonna
you
have.
know we have a girl coming up?
Yeah, I knew that.
When,
Well, the only on Saturday. The only reason that I knew it is because my boss's grandson is in the same league, and she gave it to me. But it's 12:15 on Saturday, and so we will.
I can't tell which teammate is point.
I'll meet you here. I need to find out. Stillville has their Harvest Festival parade on Saturday. I need to find out what time it is so we don't get stuck down there. Yeah. So they were going to give us schedules, and I've been meaning to send it to you since I got it from her.
I'm only doing them in like a minute and a half.
That's okay. I can put them all together on YouTube and make it one video.
It's actually cool.
Even if you don't practice it.